Alright, I got this old beat up pocket knife. You can see it's all rusted inside and got some kind of stuff inside of it. Looks pretty nasty. This is a carbon steel knife, and I'm going to kind of clean it up a little bit and sharpen it. See if I can make it look a little bit better for the client. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in some simple green in the ultrasonic cleaner for a little while. So inside there, you can see all that rust inside there. I'm gonna try to find a little piece of sandpaper and some WD-40 and see if I can clean all that rust out inside there.